What's up everyone, this is Mark with Audio Design Desk. Today we're going to be looking at Rogue One, a Star Wars story, particularly the scene where Darth Vader boards the ship and destroys the fleet of soldiers single-handedly. At the end of the video, we'll actually recreate the sound score for this part of the scene in Audio Design Desk, so stay tuned. So first, I'm just going to go to YouTube to grab that link. Command C, baby. Then I'm going to go straight to Audio Design Desk, and I can import the video directly from YouTube to Audio Design Desk just by right-clicking in this dark video space. I'll right-click and click Open Remote Video. Awesome. I'll go ahead and adjust this so I can see a bigger video frame. And I'm going to start right around 30 seconds because this is where things start to get juicy. We're going to go one by one and see all the different sounds that build the intensity of this scene and also help the storytelling as well. Let's get started. All right, so already not only is there a close-up on that card being pulled out of that little ATM machine, but there is also a very loud sound cue because this is so important to the soldiers' escape, passing that card along from hallway to hallway so that they can board the ship and get out of there.
Gotta go now!
Explosions.
Hurry, let's go!
We hear that control panel, that button being smashed once again because something is about to happen with the door. We hear that low thud that indicates that the door is not just any old door, it's a big old heavy door and it's not going to open with this little tug they're about to do. Cute, but no cigar. Alright, so the music has dropped down to a quiet drone. We have this creaking ship sound. It sounds more like Alien than Star Wars, really. We have this smoke vent spewing gas into the chamber, and of course that repeating alarm sound to just drill the intensity into our minds. Up next, we're going to hear Darth Vader's big old footsteps, and we're also going to hear that iconic breathing. Is. All right, so pay attention right here to the way the laser sound is being treated. Not only are we hearing the shots fired, we're hearing them bounce off the lightsaber, and then we're also hearing them either absorbed into the walls or ricocheting, panning left and right to follow the image. So there's a lot going on just with these laser sounds. Ooh, and what does a laser sound like hitting the body? There's that arrow-like sound when it flies through the air. There's that burning sound when it hits their chest. But then there's also a thud, right? As it hits them, slams into them, and sends them flying back. Without that thud, it would seem, a little less hefty. The voice is filtered when he's on the other side of the glass. That's a classic technique. We have that low sub come in whenever the force is going to be used. It's one of the coolest things. We also have that cloth flap as he flies into the ceiling and slams against it. It's not going to open, bro. Ah, that is one of my favorite parts of this scene. We hear the guns being pulled out of their hands. There's this metal sound and then they slam against the ground and skitter away. So much going on just right there. Let's hear that again. More sub. There you go. Take it. Take it. And you gotta have that slapstick moment. He hits the ground. You hear his whole body slam against it. This man has fallen flat on his face, but that's life. Ooh, you hear that latch. It's loud. You hear that one too. And engines on. Music is going to take over the sound score, but we're still going to hear that cloth flap of Darth Vader's cape, even though, is there wind in space? I don't know. Awesome. Now let's recreate this scene in Audio Design Desk. We're just a one-person team. We are not Skywalker sound, but I bet we can do the job in just a minute or so. I'll pre-select the sounds and then perform them live to picture just using my keyboard. Let's get a rise, a hit, and a drone right at the beginning. Command R to replace them to ones I like better. Let's get my laser guns on 1, my lightsabers on 2 and 3, my impacts on 4, and I'm going to get my grunts on 5. We'll do a first pass for lasers and lightsabers. Watch the bottom for keystrokes. And the second pass just to get those grunts and impacts. Let's hear what it sounds like. Not bad for only 30 seconds of work. So I hope you enjoyed today's sound breakdown. Comment below if you heard anything that I missed that you think is super cool, or if you want to learn how some of these sounds in Star Wars are actually made. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get discounts, tons of free stuff, and to be notified the next time we drop a video. As we say here at Audio Design Desk, sound is half the story, so never stop listening. See you next time.